Hi, and welcome to Anne Marie's workshop. My name is Anne Marie, and I love to make things with joy. If you like to make things with joy or just like to watch other people make things with joy, you have found the right place. Please like, subscribe, and share. So this is my hashtag Friday Sews video. It is the brainchild of Jenny Weissner, and she has a Friday Sews creator group on Facebook if you're interested. And what this video is about is like what I've been up to this week. Well, first things first, there's a forum topic. What garment do you most dislike making? I had to really think about that. Now, I thought about it. I dislike making a garment on demand. That is the only thing I don't like to sew, a garment on demand, which is why I only sew for the people I love or I really, really like. I don't take commission. I don't take orders. I don't take any of that because my sewing is precious to me. And it is something that has filled me with joy for 50 years. So something that precious, something that has not gotten old, I have not fallen off the bandwagon and said I'll never sew again, which my ex-mother-in-law, she stopped sewing for quite some time because she was sewing for people for profit. And it is something she really loved, and she lost the love of it for a very long time until she retired. I only sew for the people I love. I am a selfish sewer. You can tell me everything that you would like. You can hint. If I don't feel like sewing it, it doesn't happen. I'm sorry. I will buy you something. I will send you to someone who you can bring your project to. But honestly, now that I'm retired, I only sew the things I want to sew. And there's no telling what that garment might be. It could be teddy bear jackets. It could be handbags. It could be, there's no garment that I wouldn't be interested in working on if my mind is intrigued by the project. So the only garment that I dislike making is one on demand. All right, now that I got that out of the way, let's see what's going on in the workshop. Well, I have two things going on. I've got my Christmas in July projects going on, and I'll show you how I ended up having, because I've done some of the base work, I've ordered a lot of things online that are starting to come in. I had time for serendipity, for something I thought about, and I thought, maybe that's something I can work on. Look, y'all, I had this dress cut out. It is McCall's, give me a second, let me go find it. It is McCall's 8084 right here, and I will include the line drawing on my edited version. And I made this really beautiful dress made of this kind of Technicolor camo for my Melly Mel, because now that I finished the rompers and everything for Christmas, I have time between now and December to make whatever else I want to make for them for Christmas. Now, I don't know why I made two, or I don't know why I cut out two. I made two because since I was doing them both at the same time, and actually the only thing that made me crazy was this flounce that made the sleeve, because it was a giant circle or a donut. And what happened was, it took me hours just to go around that hem. I had to do a baby hem to accommodate for the curve. Forever, but worth it. I don't know why. I did not write down any notes to tell me why I needed to. I know it's not for me. This deep V this short skirt. It's not me, but I can't remember why I cut 2 out of this material. This material was at Ping's. It was inside the bucket with stretch knits. I know it was inexpensive. Y'all, I'm starting to worry. But because I cut things out when I feel like cutting them out, I had a reason, but I looked inside my notes and inside the package. I don't know why I made 2, but 2 I have. So now is where I have a little problem. I have been preparing my Christmas in July and getting ready for my reversible challenge. I have quite a bit of reversible garments with which to populate my month and my challenge, but there were some things I wanted to make anew, and I have some really cute things to show you, but I don't know, should I wait for the challenge to trick them out or not? Well, I'll give you a hint, and then there'll be more information at the challenge. One second. So the first thing I made this week was this reversible skirt. It is this on one side, and I'll show you what's on the other side during the Cat Challenge month. I also made one of my favorite of all time Vogue dresses that is kind of like a tent shape dress. And it's also reversible. We'll talk about that later. And you know I love an Ogden cami. I guess I'm trying to I'm giving it away. You can kind of see what these are reversed with. But this is a beautiful Ogden cami. All right, so that'll be highlighted during reversible, but there's many other things. And then I made this tie top out of leftover material because this material is just so gorgeous. I hated to have anything left that I didn't use. So I turned this in. It doesn't really have a pattern. During reversible week, I'll talk about it, and you can make one for yourself. And I just started this, but it's time to get dinner going. And this is the assembly line box pleat dress that I made in this light blue feather pattern Ankara. It has the most beautiful box pleat in the back. Let's see. Isn't that amazing? And it opens. Alrighty, so it is not finished yet. It needs pockets, it needs sleeves, but this is the stopping point for the Friday. It'll be finished by Friday, but it's not finished right now. Oh, here's the sleeve. All right, so let me think. I have a haul. I bought 2 pieces of material, and let me get them for you. Okay, the first is this Ankara. It feels like it's a very thin Ankara. It is not that mix of spandex, nylon, and polyester. This is more cotton and polyester, so it's very fluttery and light, but it has a cotton feel to it. The other one that I had in my haul from Temu, there was no cotton whatsoever in that mix, so that works very well for some things. But I got this at Zan's in Mandeville, which I really, really love. I got 6 yards of it, just in tradition of Ankara. And then I bought this one, which does have the feel of the spandex, polyester, nylon mix with this unbelievable pattern on it. Now, I do not know what I'm going to do with it. But I'm not scared of patterns or motifs. I'm not. So I'm very excited about that. And here is a picture of them hanging on I put up a short earlier. I think it'll come out on Saturday. I'm getting ready for my Dress-A-Girl. I washed, hung out to dry, and ironed my pieces for some of my dresses. And I've just been having a good time in the workshop. I realized the other day that this is exactly what I want to be doing in my retirement. I want to create. I want to hang out with people, talk with friends, travel a little bit to see my family. This is all I wanted from retirement, so I'm already there. So that's it for Friday. Let's see, today is the 21st. Y'all get ready. It's almost time for So Reversible 2023. If you would like to collaborate with me, just email me at the address in my about on my homepage. And I hope you're having a good time. If you decide to join the challenge, please come along. I think it's going to be a blast. All right, take care. Happy Friday, and we'll see you soon.